120 hertz? Nah. 240 hertz? The thing that I'm about to show you in this video is one of the fastest gaming monitor I've ever unboxed on my channel, guys. Let's get started. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today in the house we have a special monitor from Benq, and as I've told you, this is like literally one of the fastest gaming monitors I've ever made a video on our channel, guys. It's their all new Zowie XL series 2566K monitor and has like an insanely high refresh rate of up to 360 Hz. Total madness. Now you people might say, Vimal, why you've already covered like a couple of 360 Hz monitors in the past, right? But let me tell you, in that also this one is special and has like ultra low response times, guys. I'll tell you what exactly is special at a later part in the video. And not only that, it also features Benq's DyAC technology. DyAC stands for dynamic accuracy for reduced motion blur, and also eliminates like ghosting, these sort of effects. I'll tell you all of those details in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, our brand new Benq Zowie XL2566K gaming monitor comes in this sort of box packaging, and as I've told you, this is Zowie's flagship level esports gaming monitor. You've got the Benq branding over here. It's from their XL series, and as I've told you guys, this is one of the fastest gaming monitor I've ever unboxed on my channel. Like literally 360 Hz panel you're getting, and that too with an excellent response time, guys. We'll talk about all of those features in this video. There is nothing much mentioned on the packaging, so let's quickly get started with the unpacking. And there you go, boys. As soon as you open it, you've got some details mentioned over here. It says that the monitor has like special color modes made for like different games. We'll come to that also at a later part. You've got some paperwork over here, just make sure to read that. And you also get free cables included. HDMI DisplayPort cables are also there. A free mains cord is also available. And what is this? Looks like some sort of cover. Look at this. Benq is also giving you a free cover for your monitor. Keeps your monitor dust free and is pretty useful, I'd say. And moving on, you get a very special accessory included from the company. Benq calls this as a unique S-switch. So it's basically like a 5-way navigation control unit using which you can easily access all the menu and settings on the monitor. It's a bit hassle accessing all the buttons at the back of the monitor, right? For you people, you can use this accessory and easily adjust all your monitor settings and modes on the go, just like that. And this looks like the stand for the monitor. Basically the neck of the monitor, guys, very good quality. Look at this. You've got the Benq branding. Love those black and red accents over here. And this is the base for the monitor stand. Very clean and very small sort of base. Very nice, good quality, I'd say. And lastly, not to miss out, brand is also giving you some side flaps for the monitor. So this particular accessory helps you like focus directly on the panel only while gaming, and it doesn't let you get distracted. You get 2 of them in the package. That's it. These are all the accessories. And finally, boys, time to check out our brand new monitor from Benq, our all new Zowie XL2566K. It's a 24.5-inch ultra fast gaming monitor featuring almost 360 Hz refresh rate. And look at the design also, very beautiful from our initial impressions. What I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look and then talk about the design, build quality and all of its features. Benq Zowie XL2566K is their flagship level esports monitor made specially for all the pro gamers out there and offers an insanely fast panel on board. You're getting a 24.5-inch 1080p TN panel with a super fast refresh rates of up to 360 Hz and also ultra low response times of only around like 0.5 millisecond. So here's how the front profile looks like. Has a classic look with a minimal design and is made very sturdy. It's got equal proportionate bezels on all the sides, as you can see, and they're not the slimmest I've seen on a monitor, but again, hey, this is an esports level monitor, right, where aesthetics come later and first comes durability and toughness, because a lot of pro players tend to carry their own monitors to gaming events or any sort of place, and over there now Benq has definitely hit the spot because the build quality on this monitor is excellent, guys. Here's how the stand base looks like. Small, compact, and doesn't occupy much space on your table, so you can easily place all your peripherals on the table hassle free. And how can you miss out these beautiful wings over here? So these side flaps attach very easily and help you focus only on your game without getting distracted during events, and you can even adjust the angle just like this. Okay, I haven't shown you the back profile, right? Monitor looks absolutely gorgeous from the back. I mean, just look at those red accents here and there. One super useful thing BenQ has added is a handle at the top, so you can easily carry this monitor from place to place. And yes, you do get a headphone stand integrated in the body only. Just pop it out like this and you can conveniently place your headset. On the bottom left corner is where you've got all your buttons and controls. There's a power button over here and two more buttons, and also a 4-way navigational joystick as well to go through the menu. Apart from that, BenQ is also giving you a special accessory called as S-Switch, which basically does the same controls that are present at the back of your monitor, but at the tip of your fingers. So no more hassles, you don't need to struggle looking for these buttons behind the monitor. And talking about the connectivity part, all the ports are present over here. You get an AC power socket for the mains card. Adapter is built into the monitor itself. That's a good thing. And on the right side, you get 3 ports, 2 HDMI and 1 display port. That's it. There is no USB Type A port available on this monitor. So that's it, our complete overview on the exteriors. What I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look and talk about the display. XL2566K features a 24.5-inch TN panel, but the main highlight over here is it's got an insanely high refresh rate of up to 360 Hz. The panel itself is pretty good amount of detail, everything was looking crisp and clear no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be movies, YouTube videos or even games. And talking about the colors, out of the box, the monitor was set in the FPS 1 mode, which was not that color accurate, rather it was a special mode that was pre-tuned for CSGO game. I would definitely advise you to switch it to the standard mode to get natural and accurate looking colors. The monitor has an 8-bit TN panel, and despite that, it was actually very well calibrated from the factory. It had an sRGB color gamut range of up to 95% and was producing beautiful looking colors. I mean, the color volume, color quality, everything was on point over here, and you'll be like very much satisfied with the results. To be honest guys, never have I seen such a quality TN panel used on a gaming monitor, and because of this it's very well capable of even being used for your creative sort of applications. And coming to the contrast levels were not that great, and sometimes when you're watching dark scenes in low light situations, blacks were looking a bit on the grayish side. But coming to the brightness again was excellent over here. It was around like 320 330 nits and was more than sufficient for your day-to-day sort of usage. There is no HDR support over here, so that is something you'll have to keep in mind. And viewing angles are also a bit limited, both horizontally and vertically. Up to certain angle, picture looks great, but beyond that, colors were getting washed out because it's a TN panel, right? There's actually a big reason why the brand went with a TN panel instead of IPS, and that is because of the response time. Now, compared to your other IPS 360Hz gaming monitor, this TN 360Hz monitor from BenQ blows out the competition. TN panels are super fast and provide like clear and sharper outlines of overall moving objects in games because they have like super low response times, right? It only has around like 0.5 millisecond compared to 3 to 4 millisecond on an IPS panel, and this makes like a big difference for gamers. And not only that, BenQ's XL2566K also features Zowie's DyAC Plus technology. DyAC stands for dynamic accuracy, so it's basically like a technique to reduce motion blur that is seen on LCD panels. What they've done is they've tried to simulate your CRT's dynamic display effect on LCD and works via backlight control technology. This will greatly help avoid unwanted after images and also minimize ghosting effects, ultimately giving you an edge in the competition. And also, how can you forget that insanely high refresh rate of up to 360 Hz? Total madness, guys. Suppose you're a guy coming from a normal 60 Hz panel to this 360 Hz monitor, or even if you're making a jump from 120 or 144 Hz to this particular model, right? The level of difference you'll see is crazy. Everything just glides on the screen. Not only games, even simple things like mouse pointer, browsing to your PC, everything feels buttery smooth to your eyes. One more thing, the brand hasn't specified anywhere, but during my testing I found that the monitor was both Nvidia G-Sync and FreeSync compatible as well. So playing games on this monitor is an absolute bliss, guys. Especially if you're like an esport gamer, then high refresh rates and low response times are like very essential for you for better win ratio. I've played like a lot of games during my testing and even some esport titles as well like Valorant, and was blown away by the experience. One of the best 1080p gaming monitor I've tested in the recent times. Now you might get a question like, Vimal bhai, will this monitor also work with gaming consoles like PS5 and Xbox? Now to be honest, no, it's strictly made for like PC esports only. And despite having like VRR support, it's actually not compatible with consoles. Well, that is it guys, our review on BenQ's fastest 1080p gaming monitor, the Zowie XL2566K. It's a killer gaming monitor is what I would say. You're getting a fast TN panel, 360Hz refresh rate, zero point 0.5 millisecond ultra low response times, produces good and accurate colors, and plenty of pre-tuned color modes to choose from. Only a few things you'll have to keep in mind over here are, you're not getting HDR support, there is no KVM functionality as well, and since it's a TN panel, right, contrast levels are a bit less and offers limited viewing angles. Apart from these, everything else is great. The monitor costs around 52,500 rupees and is available on Amazon. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all got to check out something amazing today and got to know everything. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.